Day 1061 off the grid. And again, this is nothing to do with off the grid, this is to do with the grid. Looks like today we get the new LED streetlights here in Vance Street. Here in Shannon. See, they've already done them. So, up there. See, he's just taking off the old one. I see. And here's one of the brand new ones. I should go and get a good look. G'day. Oh, good. I see you updating the street lights here, eh?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, L.E.D.
Yep. So that's one of the old ones, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it, bro.
So you just whip the old heads off and stick the new ones on?
Pretty much, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
No, it's more fuel efficient in a daylight sensor too, so they won't come
on. Yeah, I was wondering what that little black box was, so they'll come on.
So when the light's hitting it in the day, it breaks the circuit, so there's no
Yep. But didn't they used to originally control them with ripple control?
I'm new to this, mate. So
oh, okay.
Yeah. She's all good.
Sweet.
Lovely day.
Oh, it's awesome. It's been...
bad about the overalls.
Must be pretty hot in those overalls though, getting up there though.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. How long has it taken you to do this street?
I can't remember what time we got here.
Just today though.
We'll be back.
Yep.
I'm planning to do an Shannon.
Yep.
But yeah.
But you just started the street this morning.
Just the street, mate, and now they're getting started around the corner.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Been here for about an hour and a half.
So it's a pretty quick job to swap them over then, eh?
Doesn't take too long, mate.
Yep.
Yeah. Depends on what how much more outfitting we have to do.
Right, depends on what the original lights are.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it takes longer with overheads because you got to have line taps and,
Yep.
and all that sort of thing.
Yep. Awesome. So this is one that you're going to put up. This is one you're going to put up.
Units. Galvanized steel too.
Right.
None of that cheap heavy shit.
Yep. And so it's got the electronic ballast in there. Oh, cool. And the dust sensor fits on the top separate, does it?
Yeah, that's a little unit there. Yeah, it just plugs into the top, mate.
Sweet.
So yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey, that's like an American power connector that they use on some of their high current circuits.
Okay.
It's a twist lock.
Yeah. That's sort of, yeah.
Cool.
You know a bit about this stuff?
Yeah.
I just started driving a pretty new, mate, so about a year.
Let's look at the old lights there. Oh, interesting question. How do you know if, when you've wired it up, that it's working? How do you test it? Do you actually test it, or do you just wait for it to get dark and hope?
We pretty much wait.
Wait. Oh, yep.
We're back to.
Oh, you send someone around to have a look once it's dark.
There's usually a patrol that happens.
Oh, yeah.
At night.
Yep.
So that's just the easiest way.
Yep.
Because you get everything.
I mean, you know what you're doing, and it's unlikely you're going to get many problem units anyway, eh? So.
Depends, mate. With long hours and that, sometimes we get a crossover.
Oh, yep.
Just because people are knackered.
Yeah.
Not too many.
Yep.
We do a lot of lights in a week, mate.
Yep. So do you work for Electra, or is this a
We're Fulton Hogan, so we're
Oh, okay.
based in Laha.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, so you work for Fulton?
I'm a temp through Enterprise.
Oh, yeah, yep.
Fulton Hogan's the company.
And they got the contract to replace the lights.
Yeah, we got some towns, and I think Downers
Yep.
got some others.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, Downers, yep. Yeah, no, I got from Downers. So is this initiated by Electra, or is it by the council?
I couldn't tell you.
Yeah.
You'd have to contact them.
Because I'm always wondering about that, because it's the council which pay for the power to run them, of course. So presumably it'd be the council which stands to benefit from the lower power consumption. Yeah. But
Look, you can't get political with me. I'm just doing my job. But yeah, it's a good.
oh, it's not really political. It's not really political.
Question,
Just business, you know, just business.
If it is at a lower, yeah, it's the cost passed on to the consumer. And
Well, that's political then, isn't it? Yeah.
I thought that's really good.
Yeah. But the other question is, though, of course, with that, is that, of course, these lights would cost a bit to purchase.
Good, mate.
I guess there would be a certain period it would take before they kind of start paying for themselves. Yeah. So it can't be cheap to go whipping around replacing every street light in the district, can it? Yeah.
Yeah, we better get going, mate.
Yep.
Have a good day, eh?
Yeah, you too. Hey, cheers for talking, eh? That's
Don't
cool.
worry. Don't worry.
What do you do? Oh, what do you do with the old ones when you
Scrap, mate.
you scrap them? Yeah.
Yeah, smart.
Sweet. Okay. Have a good one. Wow. And they just lift up the van. It's a specially outfitted vehicle, I guess, for doing. Wow. Probably this job, because it'd be a huge job. I mean, it'd be worth a lot of money. And there they go, on to the next one. Just like that. These are the last two street lights that have got the original heads. Pity I didn't know about it last night, because I would have gone out and made a video of the street lighting. I suppose we've got some videos of it too, but with the deliberate intent of capturing the last night of the old lights, because tonight is going to look different. It's going to look different. And of course one might argue inferior, because we've seen a lot of LED lights in other streets in Palmerston North, for instance. Where things just don't look the same, and those particular LED lights, and these might be different ones, or they might be the same. I haven't really looked at those ones close. They don't spread out the light the same. So when you've got a street like this lit only on one side with the street lights, you might find that the other side is rather dark. It's recycling day, one a day. Anyway, interesting video on day 1061 off the grid. I should go and do some off the grid things. Just copying some files off the old external hard drive to the new computer. Going very well. We've got Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. It's got a really cool name, but it escapes me right now. It starts with X. But yeah, that'll do it. And here we are at night with the new LED lights. Although the main reason why I've pulled out the camera tonight is because there's still one last discharge lamp over there, right at the end of the street. So you can get a zoom on it. Well, they look funny in the camera. That one there separate to those, the bunch.